all the interoperability standards here, whether it was XML to start with, that we were a key part of getting that out as a standard, then the SOAP level stuff, now we've moved up to a variety of techniques, including web services. All of those things are out there and free for people to use. Even the recent stuff that Ray's done about the simple list extensions, live clipboard, that's connecting up to everyone.
No, it's true. That stuff really wowed people when he demoed it at our eTech conference. I thought, this whole idea of the semantic web is actually starting to happen in small ways with microformats. And I thought the fact that Ray picked up on that was really nice. We got a really great response from the geeks who are my audience.
Well, I think his analogy that we've been exchanging data and had some standard formats within a machine that he takes that to, okay, let's exchange between different websites. It's going to take the idea of contact cards, scheduled appointments, set of directions, all these things where we need standard schema. We need micro formats that people agree on. It's going to let that bootstrap, because the more those things become standard, the more other websites use them, and therefore the more popular they become. We start to get those
network effects that really allow us to weave applications together.
Right, and it's all very market driven. If some format is too rigid, then nobody's locked into that. Somebody can come along and do something completely different.
So